Good morning, everybody. This is Dr. H.S. Purohit, CEO of NASA Fire Technology Limited. Since 42 years, we are engaged in doing research to eliminate the possibilities of fire and accident in general. We are lucky to develop various products which helps to various industries wherein repeated fire accident has been stopped. Current days, there is a big issue worldwide which is nothing but the global warming, and just because of the global warming everybody are facing various problems. We decided that we need to contribute our 42 years of experience in developing the replacement of fossil fuel, which is nothing but the green hydrogen. Hydrogen being explosive of nature, it need to be handled intelligently. We are lucky that we have worked on it and we have developed various equipments, accessories and preventive training programs which will definitely help in managing green hydrogen manufacturing activity not only in India but across the globe. So, it will be a big contribution to the society and public at large to make them safe from the better environment and free from the pollution. Thank you very much.
Everyone is suffering from one or the other diseases, including asthma and headache. Mainly, the young boys and girls are getting heart attack between the age of 20 years to 30 years because of polluted air. It kills 8.3 million people. India is on the top. Plus, many industrial gases, mainly chemicals being released in the atmosphere. The ozone layer is getting damaged. This sun is releasing ultraviolet radiation and the ozone layer is filtering them to enter on the earth. But because of pollution in the atmosphere, there are holes in the ozone layer responsible for the ultraviolet radiation coming to the earth, responsible for the skin disease and skin cancer. Also, the small babies are facing the cataract problem, and the fish are also not able to survive because of the ozone depletion. Many times it has so observed that there is no rain or a heavy rain or a cyclone. क्या कारण है? Air pollution. Since years, we are using fossil fuels, including coal, oil and gas, to satisfy our need of power. 65% coal, oil and gas is used emitting poisonous gases. The moment you start the car, at the exhaust there is a smoke coming out which is nothing but carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Same with the aviation industries and same with the various industries across the globe. They are constantly emitting carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide into the atmosphere. Just because of constant emitting poisonous gases in the atmosphere, the visibility also lost. And when the God has created beautiful earth, all live beings, including animals and human beings, are consuming oxygen to survive, and they are releasing carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is consumed by the plants, and they are giving back oxygen to us. That's how the whole life is survived on the earth. When we are breathing fresh air, healthy lungs are there, and when we are breathing polluted air, our lungs are unhealthy. Across the globe, millions of people are consuming medicine, and the whole worldwide medical market is in the tune of $580 billion. On the other side, destroying jungles. So once we destroy the trees, they will not be able to give us the oxygen anymore, and the entire atmosphere is getting imbalanced, wherein oxygen level is going down and carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide level is going up, which is why there is a global warming effect. Temperature of the globe is increasing, result in melting the kilometers of the glaciers of the ice, and the water level is increasing. It is anticipated that if the same way the temperature is going on increasing, by 2035, the water level is likely to increase to the extent where the nearby cities to sea likely to emerge into the water. And this is how the effect of the climate change. You can see heavy flood and responsible for the loss of life and valuables. The earth was not given to us by our parents. It has been loaned to us by our children. Canary proverb said, it is our moral responsibility to hand over a safer earth to future generation. Dr. Purohit, what to do? The time has come to contribute net zero pollution using green energy like wind energy, hydro energy, solar energy. But it is not sufficient to fulfill the global need. The solution is hydrogen as an alternative source of energy, as a fuel. Since 1970, hydrogen is being manufactured for various applications, wherein we are using natural gas to produce hydrogen, but in that process, we are releasing huge amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. The other way of manufacturing hydrogen, we call as a blue hydrogen, in which using natural gas, we are producing hydrogen, but the carbon dioxide is stored underground. Now we are looking for the green hydrogen. Green hydrogen, we are planning that by 2030, it will be in a larger volume going to be manufactured, wherein we are using green power, that is a solar power or a hydropower or a wind power, through which we are going to produce hydrogen. And in that process, absolutely pure oxygen is going to come out, which is the ultimate mission for us for a green hydrogen. Made out of water, H2O, that is a chemistry. Water is nothing but H2O. How it is possible? The sound what you could listen but is nothing but the presence of hydrogen. This is the real plant of the hydrogen. Today's automobile, which is running on petrol, diesel and CNG, releasing carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, polluting the air. Tomorrow, with new green hydrogen technology, pure water vapor is coming out from the exhaust. Including the aviation industries and other industries, they are constantly releasing pure water vapor and not the carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. No more polluted cities. All the cities will be clean, and pure oxygen will be made available in the atmosphere. Every organ of the human body is going to get pure oxygen, where everybody feel absolutely healthy. No need to consume medicine. 198 countries have joined with the mission of net zero pollution. PM Modi said India can lead the world in green energy technology, including Nitin Gadkari and Ashwini Vaishnav, and Bhupendra Patel also joined with the mission, coming forward to support the young entrepreneur who was interested to manufacture green hydrogen. Thank you very much. Application of green hydrogen. The motorcycle, cars, passenger buses, heavy-duty trucks, trains, aeroplanes, passenger ships, cargo ships, ceramic industries, steel industries, refineries, chemical industries, farmers, and many more industries. All these industries will continue growing using green hydrogen. Let us talk about business. Green hydrogen is a fuel replacement of coal, oil, and gas, unlimited requirement with unlimited raw material, which is nothing but water at no cost. Government will provide incentives, tax benefits, plus low interest, long-term, local and foreign bank loan available to technically sound entrepreneur. Government of India have reserve funds of 20,000 crore to motivate Indian enterprises.
सरकार ने 20,000 करोड़ हाइड्रोजन मिशन के लिए रखे हैं। तो ये ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन इज द फ्यूचर फॉर द कंट्री। हमारी रेलवे, हवाई जहाज, हमारी गाड़ियां, ट्रक, बसेस, हमारा स्टील, केमिकल्स सब उसके ऊपर चलेगी और 10 साल में पूरा ये इंपोर्ट खत्म हो जाएगा, पोल्यूशन भी खत्म हो जाएगा।
Railways Minister Ashwini Vaishnav announced India's first hydrogen train, which will be designed and manufactured locally by December 2023 and will run on the Kalka-Shimla historic circuit. This is India's early significant step towards green initiatives. Hydrogen trains do not emit harmful pollutants such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, or particulate matter, making them more environmentally friendly than traditional diesel trains. Another benefit is that hydrogen can be produced using renewable energy sources such as wind, solar, or hydropower, making the fuel supply for these trains clean and renewable.
Why hydrogen and not petrol? 1 kg hydrogen you can manage to travel 100 km. Now, what is the cost benefit? 1 kg hydrogen costs 275 rupees. 1 kg hydrogen you can travel 100 km. So, per kilometer the cost will be 2 rupees 75 paisa. If you use a petrol, 1 liter petrol costs 100 rupees. In 1 liter you can travel around 15 km. So, the cost per kilometer comes to 6.66 rupees. The difference between petrol and hydrogen will be around 4 rupees per kilometer. Plus, environmental benefit also. If you want to travel 100 kilometer, so you are using 1 kg of hydrogen. At the end of 100 kilometer travel, you are going to release 9 liter of pure water vapor and not any carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Whereas, when you are traveling same 100 kilometer by using petrol, it will going to release 15.34 kg of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide into the atmosphere. Any risk? Yes, hydrogen is explosive in nature. You must have heard about hydrogen bomb. NASA Firetech Limited will play a vital role in manufacturing hydrogen. Out of 100% of the total project activities, 30 to 35% role played by NASA, mainly in handling and storage, which is the biggest challenge supported by NASA scientists and engineers. Green hydrogen will be a game changer. Please contact Satkupra Group for more detail. Thank you very much. The one application which I have found to be improved is the petrol tanker coming to the petrol pump to unload the petrol. Around 10,000 liters petrol is there in the tanker. Once the tanker reaches to the petrol pump, they connect the rubber hose from the tanker to the underground tank. After that, they open the valve to start delivery of the petrol in the underground tank. Now, the moment they open the valve, there is a bucket below the valve in which some leakage of the petrol is getting accumulated. And suppose 5,000 liters of the petrol has already been delivered, during which minimum around 200 ml of petrol likely to leak. Now they have outdated mismatch technology in use to control the fire, like extinguishers and all, being used since many years, and they try to use the extinguisher but it is not responding, and just because of that, small fire is the reason for the rubber hose to burn. In the rubber hose, there is a balanced 5,000 liter yet to be delivered into the underground tank, and just because of that, there is a huge fire. There are two fire tenders are fighting the fire, but looking to the picture, we can see that it is absolutely difficult to control the fire, and it is impossible and inviting huge loss. We have developed a special product replacing the ordinary bucket known as NASA capsule. What is it? This is NASA capsule looks like, and it is placed below the wall of the tanker. You see here, the moment there is a fire, it automatically extinguishes, and there is no way the hose can burn. And since the hose is not burning, no more petrol is going to come out. Now there is no much more big fire. You can see here that NASA capsule is instantaneously able to extinguish the fire automatically without any external source of energy, and the old method in which there is a bucket wherein the flame continues and inviting complication. Thank you very much. We must have seen fire buckets in use since many years. They are absolutely outdated technology. If you can see here, there is water accumulated and the small plants came out. No more it is in a flow condition. So here is the NASA LISI cover known as a spill handling kit and fire extinguisher. So you can see here the bucket because the sand gets jammed, whereas the spill handling kit which is developed, it is having free flow capacity of the chemical able to extinguish the fire. Not only that, but it also absorbed the whatever petrol leaked on the floor. Thank you very much. There is railways and special product developed for the railways after the Itarsi junction fire in a relay room. So these are the cables which you can see here are there to monitor all the signals, and these are the unattended areas to maintain the efficiency of the control room. There are AC installed and all the round the clock AC are working. It has so happened in Itarsi that there was a fire in AC, and because of the AC plastic, that all drops are falling down, responsible for the entire relay room on fire, and there's a huge loss to the railways. So that has reality in a true sense.
जिस स्टेशन पर इतना अहम सिस्टम लगा था वहां आग से सुरक्षा का इंतजाम क्यों नहीं था? अगर सिस्टम खराब हो गया तो उसे चालू करने में इतना वक्त क्यों लग रहा है? क्यों नहीं कभी रेलवे ने सोचा ऐसे हालात में बैकअप प्लान क्या होगा? और जो 1000 करोड़ से ज्यादा का नुकसान देश को उठाना पड़ रहा है, उसका जिम्मेदार कौन है?
Now we have developed special tray which is NASA AC suppression system. So the moment there is a fire in the AC, instantaneously, momentarily it gets control. So न रहेगा बांस न बजेगी बांसुरी. So that is how at the nip of the bird we control the fire at the source itself. Thank you very much. IOC, there was a fire in Jaipur. There was a fire in one tank multiplied to all the 10 tanks. And 2009, there was a fire. IOCL had a loss of 1,000 crore, followed by another fire in IOCL at Hazira, had a loss of 200 crores in 2013. Also, there is a casualty of 12 people in Jaipur and 4 people in Hazira. After that, we developed our special product, which is, you can see here in the demonstration, there are 2 tanks. One tank, the fire is continuously maintaining its efficiency. The other tank, in which the NASA product is there, has extinguished the fire automatically. So it will not allow such a huge loss. This is also one product, the need of the IOCL. So these are the various products, need of the industry. Thank you very much.